Last week, Ash unboxed the Mi TV 4A 32 inches. Today, it's the turn of the bigger brother, the 43-inch Mi TV, to get the C4E Tech unboxing treatment. Hey guys, Sundar here from C4E Tech, and in today's video, let's take a quick first glance at the Mi TV 43-inch and see how it stacks up. Before we do that though, we have a giveaway running for you guys. Here's a card to the video, as well as a link in the description below. Do check it out. And while you're down there, do hit that notification button so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. Let's first take the Mi TV box out of all that plastic wrap. You get a few of the specs clearly mentioned, like the Full HD screen, Xiaomi's very own Patchwall interface, DTS HD sound, and HDMI support. Let's now dig further inside the box. First thing out of the box are the two stands. Well, they are plastic but seem sturdy enough. Let's see what else is inside there. Some styrofoam, and a booklet inside a plastic, along with some screws to bolt your stands into the bottom of the TV. Oh, and of course, there's the remote. Similar design language as the one we saw on the Mi TV 4, along with the swapped home and back button positions. Let's finally get back to the TV itself. Getting it out of the box, taking the plastic wraps off, and there you have it, the beautiful Mi TV 4A. Let's now take a closer look at it. Up front, we have the 43-inch 1080p LED display with a refresh rate of 60Hz and a 6.5 millisecond response time. Now for something that is quite large in size, you'd expect that the Mi TV 43 would be a fair bit heavy. But it's not. In fact, owing to the all-plastic design that Xiaomi has chosen to go for, the 43-inch Mi TV weighs in at a mere 7.43 kgs including the stands. While the creaky noises and cheap feeling plastic might leave a bit to be desired, one must say that for the price, Xiaomi has done an excellent job. And not just with the build, the display too is fantastic. It's plenty bright and sharp, and Full HD at this price is something one can't really complain about. The viewing angles too are decent, and overall, it's a very enjoyable media experience. Oh, and I can't forget the 20-watt speakers on this guy. I've heard them on the Mi TV 32-inch as well, but on the 43-inch they seem to create an immersive experience with a bigger screen and big booming speakers blasting off your favorite tunes or just setting the tone for an evening of intense gaming. And yes, you can game on this bad boy as well. Just hook it up with the console of your choice and you're good to go. The Mi TV 43-inch sports a healthy selection of ports. To the back we have an Ethernet jack, the regular AV port, a SPDIF audio out, a USB 2.0 port, 3 HDMI ports, one of which is ARC compatible, 2 more USB ports, both USB 2.0 sadly, and finally an antenna and a headphone out. Now for those of you who might be wondering what the ARC enabled HDMI port can do, well, you can connect it to something like an Amazon Fire Stick, and then you can use the Mi TV remote to control the Fire TV Stick interface. Quite nifty. Rounding off the connectivity options, we also have built-in 802.11bg and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The Mi TV 4A has a few more tricks up its sleeve though. The Patchwall interface, which is based on Android 6.0 Marshmallow, is essentially a content aggregation platform. We've spoken about Patchwall at length on our previous Mi TV 455-inch review, so if you want to know more, here's a card to it. In a nutshell, Patchwall tries to bring the best of both worlds by providing a seamless experience where you can jump between online content and set-top box channels with one single remote. But as with any new software, it's not without its growing pains. Patchwall seems a bit thin when it comes to online content providers, especially the big players like Hotstar and Netflix are missing at the moment. And YouTube, which was present in the bigger Mi TV 455-inch, seems to have been axed for the smaller models. But at the end of the day, Patchwall is an Android skin, so we decided to just sideload the YouTube for Android TV app onto the Mi TV 43-inch. It works perfectly with the Mi remote, but curiously enough, the maximum resolution of videos we could play was capped at 720p. But if you do want to enjoy some 1080p content, it's as easy as plugging in a pen drive to the back of the device and watching videos to your heart's content. Now here's something interesting we noticed. The stock media player isn't able to play 4K videos, but if you switch to VLC media player that you need to sideload, it plays flawlessly. Now this didn't surprise us at all, since at the heart of this TV is the same quad-core A53 1.5 GHz Amlogic SoC that powers the 4K Mi TV 55-inch. Now, is this an oversight on Xiaomi's part, or this is a software restriction that Xiaomi has put into place to keep some of the exclusivity locked to the higher end variant? Your guess is as good as mine. Here's a poll, let us know. While we are on the topic of specs, let's round the rest of it up. There's 1 gig of RAM and 8 gigs of internal storage. There's also Mirrorcast support on this one, so if you do want to cast something from your phone to your TV, you can. In fact, the latency is quite less, and playing games like Twisty Roads on a large screen is quite the experience. Now, we have mentioned a couple of times that the Mi Smart LED TV 4A 43-inch, wow, that's a mouthful. But yeah, not to get distracted, the 43-inch Mi TV has an affordable price. Well, how affordable? It costs just 23k in India. Now, I know when you compare it to the prices in China, which starts from 1799 yuan or 18,500 rupees, then of course it's around a 25% increase in price. It's also interesting to mention that the Chinese variant of the 43-inch Mi TV 4A does get an extra gig of RAM. But comparing it to the other 43-inch offerings that are available right now in India, there are a few from View, Micromax, BPL, and Sanyo available at or near that range. None of them, however, come with any smart features, so it kind of boils down to the fact that if you prefer to brave flash sales in order to get a smart TV, yep, you heard that right, Xiaomi is selling the Mi TV 43 inches in flash sales. Yeah, I know it's frustrating, and while I understand the hype aspect of it, I can't help but feel that they might be losing out on a few customers, a lot of customers actually, due to this flash sale model. But that's just my opinion. What do you guys think? Would you buy this 43-inch smart TV from Xiaomi? If you already have one, what are your thoughts on it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love Xiaomi or want a new 43-inch TV, or even know someone who wants to buy a new TV, then please do share this video with them. If you hate bang for the buck tech products, well then you know what to do. But if you did like this video, then drop us a giant like and subscribe to C4E Tech. Also press on that bell icon so that you get notified every time a video goes live on the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Sundar from C4E Tech, leaving for the moment. Have a great day.